Hello. In this video we're going to take a look at how we create a new KPI. The KPIs are located in Dream Genie workspace, in your workspace area, which is accessed via your control panel using the green workspace icon. So that opens up this window. If you look down the menu, there's KPIs and there's two entries, View KPIs and Manage KPIs. Manage KPIs is the list of KPIs that you have installed. Is basically a title, description, and a path to the chart itself. So we'll need to create a new file path chart. So that's what we'll do first. So if we go to File Manager, you open File Manager, I've got it open here, and switch to the Entity Templates tab. So this is a list of templates installed on your server to help you start creating new coding modules yourself, including some KPI charts. So the KPI charts are listed here. You've got bar chart, gauge chart, horizontal, pie chart, multi-series charts, etc. So we just choose KPI bar chart 1, and underneath is the path where it will create it and the default new name. So it defaults to the name you've chosen, prefixed with new underscore. So we change that to be new 2020 and then click create, and it will create it at that path. So say create, that's done, new file created, okay, minimize that. So now we need to add that file, that new file, to this list. So create new entry, give it a name, say new 2020 sales, and then choose the file path here. We click and open the file selector and scroll. It was called new 2020 KPI bar chart 1. Okay. Give it a description if you like, and then click save. And there it is. So actually, if we just open that again, and we'll go through the changes you may need to make to suit the requirements you have. So we edit that. So this opens up in a window with full source versioning control. So there are 0 revisions. You can clone and customize this file. If there were revisions, you could open them and you can roll back. It will save any changes you make into its revision source, and then you can roll back at a future point if you need to. So the first part of this file deals with access. Who has access? So if somebody is logged in, they're a registered user, you can let them in or not. By default, this sample here that's remmed out, but we could enable that, and then it would do a proper check, and if the user was null, it would just end, and they wouldn't see this chart. The bits that we need to focus on for changing the chart type are here. So this selects the amount and the payment due date from the invoice, where the payment date is between the 1st of January and the 31st of December 2017. So let's make that 2020. Oops, 2020. And change this to be amount received, alias amount. The second thing you need to change is, so it's important that the canvas ID upon which the chart is drawn is unique, so that it doesn't clash with any of the other charts. So let's just make this unique in some way. Let's put new 2020, new, just change the date on there, 2020 new. Make a copy of this, because this ID is also used by the render function. And the last thing we need to change is the path. There's an Ajax post here to get the data we just seen at the top, and so that requires the path. So here's the path. So if we just copy that and paste that in here. And I think that's it. If we hit save, that's correct. Save. You can enter a revision comment. We won't bother. Saved, source, saved and archived. Okay, minimize that. And now if we switch to the view KPIs, new 2020 sales. If we click on this and zoom in, you get a bigger representation of the chart, and you can also edit the chart from here, and you can make the changes, any further changes you need to make there. Thank you very much.